let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Our brains are amazing machines. They can hear the sounds of nighttime as one sound, or, if we focus, we can divide the sounds in our mind to hear just one sound at a time. Listen carefully now and try to hear all the different sounds of nighttime. Now, let's try to pick out separate sounds, one at a time. Try to hear just the sounds of crickets. Focus your ears and your mind to hear just the sound of crickets. Try to hear just the sounds of the frogs. They sound very similar to the crickets, with only slight difference. Listen for the sound of the frogs. Listen now for the sound of a crackling campfire. In the distance, try to hear the sound of a dog barking. Listen now for the sound of fireworks. Take a couple moments now to imagine yourself in this nighttime scene. What do you see? What are you doing? Who are you with? Take a moment now to just relax and imagine. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.